Hi, this is Sushil from Creative Mind International School. Today I am going to discuss the question answer of the chapter 7. I am going to discuss about the question answer of the chapter 7. So the first question is answer the following question. Answer the following question. Answer the following question. Answer the following question. Now, in answer the following question, the first question is, what is HTML? What is HTML? What is HTML? What is HTML? ये ऑलरेडी मैं आप लोगों को बता भी चुका हूँ पहले भी. So HTML is a markup language. It is a markup language. Markup language used for it is a markup. HTML is a markup language which is used for markup language which is used for creating web pages. Now the second question is, what are the two types of HTML editors? What are the two types of HTML editors? What are the two types of HTML editors? So this is the question. Now the answer of this question is, the two types of HTML editors are below. So the first one is text editor. So in the text editor, the common text editor used is Notepad, WordPad. This one is Notepad and WordPad. But the another one is, the most famous is Notepad plus and Edit plus. So मार्केट में हम लोग HTML प्रोग्राम को लिखने के लिए Notepad प्लस और Edit प्लस का यूज करते हैं. ठीक है ना. ये Notepad और WordPad भी है टेक्स्ट एडिटर पे, लेकिन ये आउटडेटेड है. इसमें हम लोग इसको यूज नहीं करते. हम लोग आप लोगों को क्लास में ये Notepad प्लस पे कराए है. ठीक है ना. हम लोग Edit प्लस में भी करेंगे. ठीक है ना. Edit प्लस में भी करके आपको दिखाएंगे. सो नोटपैड प्लस में मैं करके ऑलरेडी आप लोगों को क्लास में दिखा चुका हूँ. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द फेमस फॉर राइटिंग HTML प्रोग्राम, नोटपैड प्लस एंड एडिट प्लस. इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारा है, लेकिन हम लोग नोटपैड प्लस और एडिट प्लस से ही करेंगे. ठीक है. तो नाउ द सेकेंड टाइप इज Swig, SW editor. So this one is outdated. So for writing the HTML programs, we are using, this is text editors only. We are using the text editors only. This one is the second editor, that is Swig. But and the examples are, we can Dreamweaver. Another one is front page. Dreamweaver and front page. One more is there, Microsoft Express is there. Microsoft Express is देयर। सो हमारे पास दो तरह के एडिटर्स हैं। वी हैव टू टाइप्स ऑफ एडिटर्स आर देयर। हमारे पास for the second question, what are the two types of HTML editors? The two types of HTML editors are below: text editors and YSwig editors. So in the text editor we have Notepad is there, WordPad is there, Notepad++ is there, Edit Plus is there. Okay, तो हम लोग क्लास में Notepad++ पे अभी कर रहे हैं, उस समय के बाद हम लोग Edit Plus में चले जाएंगे, ठीक है। And these are the outdated, हम लोग ये आउटडेटेड हो चुका है, ड्रीम वीवर एंड फ्रंट पेज एंड माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सप्रेस। सो दिस वन इटसेल्फ इज आउटडेटेड, सो हम लोग इस पे नहीं फोकस करेंगे। नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज थर्ड क्वेश्चन। थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज लिस्ट द टैग्स, लिस्ट द tags that form the basic structure of an HTML document. So this is the third question. So the answer for this one is list the tags. The tags we have to write like this: the tags that form the basic structure of an HTML document is zero. Now the first tag is HTML tag. Second one is heading tag, head tag. Third one is title tag. Fourth one is body tag. So these are the tags that forms the basic structure of an HTML document. So these are the four tags that will form the basic structure of an HTML document. Now, so this is the three questions. Answer the following question. Now come to the next fill in the blanks question. So fill in the blanks question is, the next one is fill in the blanks. Next one is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks. Next one. So the first question is an attribute. So attribute is, ये fill in the blanks मिल जाएगा. An attribute is a special keyword used inside the tag to specify additional information about the tag. So this one, the answer is attribute. So मैं आप लोगों को क्लास में बताया था कि attribute क्या होता है. Attribute, सपोज हमारे पास image tag है, तो SRC is what? SRC is an attribute of the image tag. ये क्या है? इमेज है, इमेज टैग है. अगर हमको वेब पेज में इमेज दिखाना है तो इमेज टैग का यूज करेंगे. अब ये सोर्स क्या है? एट्रीब्यूट है. एट्रीब्यूट मीन्स एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द इमेज. ये इमेज कहाँ पर है? डेस्कटॉप में है कि ऑनलाइन कहीं पड़ा हुआ है. और यहाँ पर देखिए विड्थ क्या है? इमेज का एडिशनल एट्रीब्यूट है. इस इमेज का विड्थ अगर हमको कितना वो अगर स्पेसिफाई करना है तो विड्थ एट्रीब्यूट है, मतलब हाइट है, ये क्या एट्रीब्यूट है ऑफ द इमेज टैग. So these are what? Specifying the additional information about the image. These three, that is source, width and height. These are providing the additional information about the attributes. Additional information about the tag, this image tag. These are the additional attributes. These are the attributes which provide the additional information about the image tag. तो ये था हमको एट्रीब्यूट. एट्रीब्यूट क्या होता है? एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करता है किस चीज के लिए? टैग के बारे में. दिस वन इज द इमेज टैग. तो इमेज टैग के लिए एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. इन दिस वे लॉट ऑफ एट्रीब्यूट्स आर देयर, नॉट ओनली सोर्स, विड्थ एंड हाइट. अदर एट्रीब्यूट इज आल्सो देयर. अल्ट इज वन ऑफ द एट्रीब्यूट. अल्ट इज वन ऑफ द एट्रीब्यूट. सो इन दिस वे फॉर एनी टैग वी हैव लॉट ऑफ एट्रीब्यूट्स आर देयर. So for the first question the answer is attribute. Now the second question, dash is a software program. Dash is a software program. So the answer is HTML editor. HTML editor is a software program. HTML editor is a software program that enables you to easily create HTML documents. So the answer is for the second HTML editor. Now the third one, a tag that requires an opening as well as closing tag. Closing tag is called a container tag. So the answer is container tag here. Now come to the fourth question. The head tag provides additional information including titles, comma, scripts used etc, comma, etc, script used, comma, etc, about a web page, etc, about a web page. So the answer is head tag. Head tag provides additional information about titles and scripts used inside a web page. So already these points I have discussed in the class. Now come to the fifth point. The HTML tag identifies the HTML tag identifies the document as an HTML document. Now these are all the questions, fill in the blanks question that I have discussed. Now the next one is MCQ question, multiple choice question. Next one is MCQ question. Choose the correct answer. So this one is the next question. The first question number A. So question number A. Okay, so the first question is which of the following tags encloses all other text, comma images or links as a part of a web page. So the answer here is, for the first question, the answer is body tag. Now come to the question number B. What is the question? Which of the following statements does not hold true with respect to tags in HTML. So this is the question. Now the answer is of this question is tags can not be nested. Tags cannot be nested. So this is the answer. Here the answer is tags cannot be nested. Now come to the question number C. Which of the following is a web browser? Which of the following is a web browser? So, which of the following is a web browser? As per the options, the answer is Internet Explorer. Now come to the question number D. Question number D is which of the following is not a container tag. So what is container tag? Already I have discussed in the class. So HR, horizontal row tag, is that is not a container tag. Now which of the following is not a container tag? कौन container tag नहीं है? So HR, horizontal row, this one is not a container tag. This is a empty tag. So all the questions I have discussed. Now one more question is, so the last